Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the Siri on this device. Simply go to settings, tap on the option Apple Intelligence and Siri, tap on talk to Siri. Select the First of all select the option press side button for Siri. Turn on, select the option enable Siri. Now the Siri is enabled and if you want to talk to Siri using Hey Siri, select this one. Tap on continue. Hey Siri, try again. Hey Siri, how is the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. You can see iPhone will listen for Hey Siri at the beginning of request. Tap on done. Press and hold the power button. Hey Siri, what is the time now? You can see the time. So simply in this way we can enable or set up the Siri on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.